Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss about the functions of a reserve bank. So, define a reserve bank. The Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of the country. So, it is also in central bank of in our country. So, RBI is a statutory body. So, it is also in statutory body of the in central bank. So it is responsible for the printing currency notes and managing the supply of money in the India country. So the Reserve Bank of India, it is also printing in currency notes, and also it can be supplying for the in money for the in our country. So next now we are discuss about the functions of in Reserve Bank. So issue notes. The Reserve Bank has a monopoly for printing the currency notes in the currency. So it is also in printing the currency. So it is also in monopoly. So it has the sole right to issue currency notes in various denominations except 1 rupee note by the in 1 rupee note. So it is also in sole right. So it is also only right for the in central bank. So it is also in reserve bank. So it is also in a notes of in various in a demonstrations. So except in 1 rupee. So it is also except 1 rupee for the in other notes it can be imprinted. So the Reserve Bank has adopted the in minimum reserve system. So it is also in minimum reserve system also nailed. So issuing and printing the currency notes in since 1957. It is maintains in gold and foreign exchange reserves of the 200 crores, of which the least of 115 crore should be in gold and remaining the in foreign currencies. So the Reserve Bank of India, so it can be in maintained for the in 200 crores in a exchange for the in reserves and gold and foreign currency. So in a which least, so in 115 crores should be in gold and in other currencies in maintained. So it is also an issue of currency. So another one is the banker to the in government. So central bank it can be in bankers to the government. సో బ్యాంకర్కి బ్యాంకర్గా చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ద సెకండ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది రిజర్వ్ బ్యాంక్ ఈస్ యాక్ట్ టు యాజ్ ఎ బ్యాంకర్. సో సెంట్రల్ బ్యాంక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో బ్యాంకర్కి బ్యాంకర్గా ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఏజెంట్ అడ్వైజర్ టు ద ఇన్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఇన్ స్టేట్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ రోల్ ఫర్ ద ఇన్ ఏజెంట్ and also in banker. So it performs the all banking functions of the state and central government, and it also tenders useful advice to the government on matters in related economic and monetary policies. So it is also in perform to the in central and state government also. So it is also in tenders. So it can be advised to the in government. So it is also in banker to the in government. So next another one is the in bankers to bank. So bank లకి కూడా బ్యాంక్ గా రోల్ ప్లే చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ద రిజర్వ్ బ్యాంక్ పర్ఫార్మ్ ద సేమ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఫర్ ద అదర్ కమర్షియల్ బ్యాంక్ యాజ్ ద అదర్ బ్యాంక్స్ ఇన్ ఆర్డినరీ పర్ఫార్మ్ దేర్ ద ఇన్ కస్టమర్స్. సో సెంట్రల్ బ్యాంక్, సో RBI it is also in a role play for the in commercial banks also. So RBI lends money to all commercial banks of the country. So it can be in a money and other commercial banks also. So in another one is the in controller of the in credit. So it is also in controller of the in credit. The RBI undertakes the responsibility of controlling the credit and credited by the commercial banks. So it is also in a credited to the credit controller to the in bank to the in commercial banks. So RBI uses two methods in central the extra flow of money in the economy. So it is also two methods. So flow of money of the country. The methods are in quantitative and qualitative techniques. So to control the in regulate the in credit flow of the in country. So it is also in flow of money. Flow of money, it is also in two methods. So qualitative methods and quantitative methods. When RBI observes that the economy has sufficient money and supply, it may cause the inflationary situation on the country, then it increases the money supply through it in tight monetary policy and vice versa. So RBI, it can be sufficient money so provided. So it is also may cause of the situation. So inflation also situation, it can be in a increases the in money. So it is also in controller to the in credit. So another one is the in custodian of the in foreign reserves. So for the purpose of in keeping the in foreign exchange rates and stable. So it is also in custodian of the in central banks to another banks. So it is also in foreign exchange rates to be stable. The Reserve Bank buys and sells in foreign currencies and also protect the country foreign exchange funds. So the central bank, it is also in buying and selling of buy and sells the in foreign currencies, and also at the time it can be protect the our country exchange funds also. RBI sells the in foreign currency in the foreign exchange market. Its supply in decreases in the in economy and vice versa. So it is also in foreign currency exchange markets. It can be decreases to the in economy also. So other functions of the in RBI. So the Reserve Bank perform a number of other development works. So it can be in these functions and also in other functions also fulfill. The works included to the functions of a clearinghouse, arranging the credit for the agriculture, collecting the and publishing of the economic data, and buying and selling of government securities. So it is also in agriculture purpose. It can be in central bank used to the, and it can be transferred to the money in the and NABARD. So and also in treasury bills also it can be useful to the in customers, and trade bills and giving loans to the government. So it is also in the functions of a central bank, so Reserve Bank of India.